How to redeem Zola gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zola gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You should have received a unique gift code via email from Zola. If not, you will want to contact Zola customer support to locate your gift code. Once you have located that code, you can redeem it at wineawesomeness.com, where you will be prompted to select your gift box of choice directly. So, simply enter your voucher number in the text box you see there and tap on the See Your Gift button. And if the voucher number you entered is correct, then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem Zola gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.